Hi there, this is Group Oranienburg, and this is our screencast for our Sprint 2. We have made some changes from the last sprint, both in terms of stuff you can see, as well as some under the hood things that you cannot see. So first of all, we changed the files around, so everything that used to say memoranda now says planet, which will basically help in our future sprints, and it's basically going to allow our code to be a lot more consistent down in the future. We also added a driver class in our code so that we can actually add some driver information in our upcoming sprint as well. We also did fix an issue that only occurred on the Mac OS side, but it wasn't really present in the Windows side, in that when you tried to minimize the window, it would actually not really minimize. It would kind of go through this infinite loop where it kind of go back and forth, back and forth. Again, that only really occurred in the Mac OS. However, that issue has now been resolved as we wanted it to be working properly across all platforms, so that problem has now been resolved as well. Another part where we did add some improvements is going to be on our website. So basically, whenever you would hit the Planet website, it would kind of give you an option to find an executable file. Now we actually did update it, so now it actually goes to our website. As you can see, we now have a Planet website, which basically talks about updates, what is Planet. We have a FAQ as well as report a bug as well in our code. In addition to that, we did update the About page. So now we do have our developed by our students on there. We do have a LinkedIn page, Twitter, GitHub, Facebook, and Google+. So for example, if you try to hit on GitHub, it would take you back to our GitHub repository. And then one more thing, or a couple more things that we did add, was we added a bus and driver buttons to our side pane right here. However, because we were focusing mainly on under the hood things, we could not implement it under this sprint. However, we're going to be hard at work implementing this GUI in our sprint number 3. And then when you go into File, we can actually add some bus info to this as well. So you can also add the make, the model, the year, and the capacity of the bus as well. Again, a lot of the things that we're going to be doing, we'll be doing in the sprint 3, but this is what we have so far in terms of our sprint number 2. And that is it. Thanks for watching.